Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best beard trimmers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Philips Norelco MG 7750/49 Multri Groomer set. If you're one of those who would like to get the best of the best, this super multi-purpose trimmer is just what you need. The Philips Norelco MG 7750/49 Multri Groomer set from the latest 7000 Philips series proudly combines as many as 23 different functions and comes supplied with as many as 23 accessories, so you can expect to be able to easily groom yourself from head to toe. Now taking a closer look at the trimmer itself, it reveals a dual blade system that always remains fresh and accurate. Once you activate the unit, the blades will start brushing against each other, thus sharpening themselves. That way, they remain sharp even after several years of regular use. The item is equipped with a lithium-ion battery that can run up to an incredible 5 hours after a full charge. Such operation time is quite enough for an entire week with a full grooming routine. And if it dies mid-grooming, you won't be stuck. You'll be able to plug it in a socket and continue trimming. The downside to this is that the unit isn't completely waterproof and you won't be able to use it in the shower. Moving on. At number 4, we have the Hatteker Men's Beard Trimmer Grooming Kit. If you're a busy person looking for an advanced kit that will let you trim your hair in the shortest time possible, the Hatteker Men's Hair Clipper might be the right one for you. What sells this set is that it comes with an extra wide trimmer that can capture more hair than any average trimmer, thus ensuring faster hair cutting, fading, or trimming. What's more, it is fitted with a set of extra sharp, precise steel blades that will let you create clean, straight lines and cut through the thickest hair with no irritation. Finally, just like most high-end models, these clippers have a self-sharpening design, meaning they won't rust or get dull over time, preventing nicks and cuts in the future. Besides the extra wide trimmer, you can benefit from a standard, full-size steel trimmer, a precision trimmer, along with an adjustable comb, a nose/ear hair trimmer, a full body trimmer, an adjustable beard trimmer comb, 4 hair trimmer combs, and a styling comb. They are all easy to attach and a pleasure to use. The full-size trimmer is great for general grooming, while a precise one can help you finish your look by creating clean, straight lines. A nose and ear trimmer will be enough to use once or twice a month to trim unwanted hair without nicks or cuts. At number 3, we have the Remington All-in-One Grooming Kit. With thousands of positive ratings on Amazon, the Remington PG6025 is surely among the top picks in the industry. What makes it so popular is the affordable price, versatility, and precision it offers. This Remington All-in-One Grooming Kit will let you see and understand what head-to-toe trimming is all about, since it comes with a comprehensive set of attachments to meet various grooming needs. Actually, with this Remington hair clipper set, you will take advantage of shaping and styling the hair not only on your head, but also on your face, around the neckline, and the ears. Plunging deeper into detail, we would like to stress that besides the main unit, you'll get a foil shaver for close to the skin cuts, a nose, ear, and detail trimmer for removing unwanted hair in remote areas on your face, 3 individual beard combs for stubble and a thick beard, an adjustable clipping guard with 8 lengths for customizing hairstyles, and a durable precision guard for creating your personal style. All the attachments are easy to interchange and clean of leftover hair after use. At number 2, we have the Wahl Clipper Corp 9916817 Beard/Mustache Trimmer. Being in the market for more than 100 years, Wahl Clipper is the brand you can trust. However, that doesn't mean that all of its trimmers are extremely flashy, sophisticated, and high-priced. The Groomsman proves the opposite. It doesn't have all of the most innovative features and technologies, but it does have the basics that most novice users will use in abundance. So we can admit it's a good beginner-friendly device under $20 price that comes with a bunch of accessories. To begin with, we would like to stress that despite being so affordable, the Wahl Groomsman isn't one of those models that excel in one area or the other. It's a well-balanced tool that has an ergonomic design, a rich set of guide combs, some extras, and, more importantly, good blades. They are mild enough not to irritate sensitive skin, yet sharp enough for touch-ups each morning. Plus, the trimmer comes with an oil that can clear out any debris, hairs, and dust particles from blades. Just apply it before and after trimming to keep the blades in top-notch condition for longer. And finally, at number 1, we have the SUPRENT Adjustable Beard Trimmer. SUPRENT is a global channel brand that specializes solely in producing different hair grooming tools. The company is not as popular as Philips, Wahls, and other big names, and just trying to get its customers so they offer some great products for very competitive price tags. This beard trimmer is a bright example. It comes at a fraction of the cost, but can amaze you with high quality and precision if offers. To begin with, it's a completely frills-free product that comes with no extra attachments or additional accessories. Yet it offers much more precision length settings than its counterparts. The trimmer is equipped with a handy dial that lets you choose any length from 0.04 to 0.4 in 0.02 steps, allowing for ultimate control on all beard lengths. All the height settings can be set only when the trimmer is turned off, preventing you from changing them by accident while you're using the tool. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.